The truth about happiness no one tells you. One word. Actually, two words. Two words that define every decision you make. One of them is money. The other is happy. Now here's a question. Which one do you think is searched more? Take a second. Really think about it. Got your answer? Here are the numbers. Money returns approximately 3.1 billion results. Happy returns about 3.8 billion. People search for happiness more than they search for money, and yet walk outside. Go to a cafe, a subway station, a corporate office. Look at their faces. Do they look happy to you? Happiness is the thing we claim to want most. So why is it the one thing so many people never seem to find? Let's cut through the noise. By the time this ends, you'll know the truth about happiness, the truth almost no one talks about. And when you understand it, everything changes. The illusion of happiness. Let's rewind. I was chasing something. Maybe you know the feeling. Looking at other people's lives, thinking, why does it seem like they have it all figured out and I don't? Maybe the answer is money. Maybe the answer is changing everything, your job, your city, your entire identity. Maybe. But no matter how fast I ran, I never arrived. Until one day I realized something. Happiness isn't about how much you have. It's about how much you are aligned. Alignment, the hidden key. Picture this. Imagine you're a musician and your instrument is out of tune. No matter how skilled you are, the music won't sound right. Now think about your life. You say you want success, but your habits pull you in another direction. You want financial freedom, but you waste hours scrolling through social media. You want to be fit, but you skip the gym because it's raining. Your life out of alignment. And just like that musician, your performance suffers. Happiness happens when your desires and your actions are in sync. The formula for happiness. Let's make this real. Imagine a simple equation. On one side, you have your vision, your goals, your dreams, your ambitions. On the other, you have your execution, your habits, your discipline, your work ethic. And in the middle, happiness. Now let's run a test. Scenario one. You aspire to be a best-selling author, envisioning your books topping charts and inspiring millions. But you write only a page a week. What happens? Misalignment, frustration. Scenario two, you work tirelessly 80 hours a week in a high-paying corporate job, but your true passion lies in painting, and you haven't picked up a brush in years. Again, misalignment, burnout. Scenario three, you set clear goals, maintain a healthy lifestyle, nurture meaningful relationships, and achieve career growth. And you allocate time each day to exercise, connect with loved ones, and develop professional skills. That's where happiness happens. Alignment equals happiness. The proof is right in front of you. Think about the moments you felt genuinely proud of yourself. Was it because you achieved something massive or because your actions reflected the person you wanted to become? Now think about the people who always seem lost, bitter, stuck. Almost always, there's a disconnect between what they want and what they actually do. This applies to every part of life: money, fitness, relationships, even peace of mind. If this message resonates with you, take a moment to like this video. Your engagement helps spread this important insight to more people who need it. Now let's dive deeper. How to fix the misalignment. So what do you do if you realize you're out of alignment? Here's your test. Take a piece of paper, draw a line down the middle. On one side, write your goals. On the other, write your daily habits. Now be brutally honest. Do they match? If you say you want to be healthy but eat junk every day, misalignment. If you say you want financial freedom but spend every paycheck, misalignment. Happiness isn't a mystery, it's the natural result of living in alignment. The real test of happiness. Here's where it gets even deeper. Some people are in alignment, but with tiny goals. They're okay with just existing, and guess what? Some of them are perfectly happy because their small ambitions match their small actions. But if you feel something more inside you, a pull towards something bigger, then alignment alone isn't enough. You need to raise your vision and then match your effort accordingly. Not for validation, not for ego, but because deep down, you know you're capable of more. The real key to happiness. Happiness isn't about working harder. It's not about how much money you have. It's about alignment. The people who feel lost, bitter, or stuck, almost always there's a gap between what they say they want and what they actually do. Close that gap and everything changes. So here's the challenge. Take the alignment test today. Write down what you want. Write down what you're doing. Now ask yourself, do they match? If they don't, you know what to do next. And if this hit home, subscribe because we're just getting started. But don't stop here. If you're ready to dig even deeper, I've handpicked 2 more videos just for you. Click on either one and keep the momentum going. Your journey doesn't end here, it's only just beginning. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Let's spread the truth about happiness together.